bodybuilding is made up of 3 stages. 1 is a competitive sport. 2 is lifestyle. And 3 is an art.
Don't look for an easy way out. Nobody wants to work hard these days. Everybody wants the easy way, the 20-minute ad, the 10-minute this, 10-minute that. Fuck that.
The gym is empty today. Nobody wants to work out.
If you're not having fun doing it and you don't really love it, you're going to fail. So you got to love it, you got to have passion. Damn, boy. Wow, look at that, damn.
The important thing is that you always challenge yourself, and I'm a strong believer in the philosophy of staying hungry. Whenever I have achieved the goal, then immediately after that, I ask myself, what other challenge can I put up?
I just want to be the best bodybuilder there is. I want to be Mr. Olympia.
It is hard.
Stay disciplined and always dream and pursue your dreams.
Come to the gym, work your ass off, earn it.